Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bree and I'm the owner of Calafia Candle Company. And today's video is a very exciting one because my friend Jeff Standley, who we all know and love from Standley Handcrafted, just dropped a collab with Makesy. So I'm super happy for him. I want to give him a big congratulations and also a thank you to him and Makesy for sending me the little sample pack here so that we can do a first impressions review. I am so excited to dive into this. There are 10 oils in this pack here, so let's go ahead and get started. Side note, I love this packaging. It is so smooth and sleek, and I already smell the oils coming out of this box, so ooh, I'm excited about this. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these on the blotter strips and then we'll run through them. All right, the oils have been swatched and I have to say it smells incredible in here right now. So we are gonna start with pink lychee and sweet oak moss. So we have top notes of ripe fruit, orange peel, and bergamot, middle notes of pineapple, jasmine, and caramel, and base notes of galbanum, amber, and moss. All right, I think this is going to be a citrus forward scent for sure, but that addition of the caramel in there is really interesting, so let's see. Yes, definitely screams citrus. This is a very refreshing, invigorating type scent. Ugh, it's really, really nice. I feel like I'm definitely getting the orange and the bergamot for sure, and that pineapple. Very, very good. I am just now kind of getting into citrus scents in my candles. I feel like with my previous wax blend, I struggled with the citrus scents with getting them to throw well. I feel like my previous blend was a little bit pickier with fragrance oils, whereas now the Soy 10 that I'm using, I feel like you can really use a lot of different fragrance oils with that wax. So I've been playing around with different citrus scents and this would be a great option as well for summertime. I love that. So bright and refreshing. Okay, we are off to a good start. Up next, we have Midnight Mahogany and Mango Skin. We have top notes of mandarin orange, white bergamot, and verbena leaves. Middle notes of wild lavender, vanilla orchid, and jasmine petals, and base notes of mango skin, mahogany, and golden amber. This sounds lovely. Oh my gosh. Wow. I freaking love this one. I love florals, and I feel like I'm really smelling that vanilla orchid and the jasmine come through. And those blended with the zesty orange notes, and then you have the warmth in the base notes. Oh my gosh. This creates a masterpiece. I love this. Wow. I just want to douse myself in this. I feel like it would be great as a body spray or perfume or any kind of like body products. I think I'm gonna have to make a body spray out of that. That smells so freaking good. I love that. I love that one. All right, this next one sounds like it's gonna be really zesty and bright. We have pineapple, cilantro, and applewood. We have top notes of pineapple, lemon, and apple, middle notes of peach and lily, and base notes of coconut, vanilla, and peach. Oh dang, okay. That is in your face pineapple, but not in a bad way, in a great way. Super fruity, super zesty and bright. This would be such a good summer scent. That coconut and the vanilla in the base really kind of round it out, so it's not super overpowering and sweet. I love this one too. Wow, okay. Jeff and Makesy, killing it. Killing it. We have 3 for 3 so far. Okay, now we have green pear and mandarin peel with top notes of green leaves, eucalyptus, and green pear. Middle notes of mandarin, spearmint, and peppermint, and base notes of clove, ginger, and citrus. I feel like I'm already smelling the mint from holding this down here. Okay, yes, definitely I'm picking up the mint in that and that eucalyptus. Okay, I like this one. I honestly wasn't sure what I would think about it just reading the notes, but it's good. It's very refreshing. I feel like I'm using that word to describe a lot of these, but that's kind of the vibe I'm getting from this collection so far. Very refreshing scents. This would be lovely in like shower or bath products. I love the clove and the ginger in there. They just kind of add a little bit of a spice to it. Next we have Twilight Vanille and Cassia Bark. with top notes of cinnamon and cassia, middle notes of jasmine, caramel, and fruity, and base notes of amber, clove, and vanilla. This sounds like it's gonna be a very warm and cozy type scent. Ooh, definitely gives off warm and cozy vibes. Wow, okay, wait. I really like this one, wow. At first, I was gonna say immediately off the bat, this kind of screams like holiday time to me, Christmas time, because of the cinnamon and the spice in there. But I don't know why I'm holding that with two hands. The longer I smell it, the more I'm thinking, no, this could definitely be a year-round scent. Oh man, that is delicious. That's the word that I want to use to describe this one, delicious. Next, we have strawberry musk and jasmine rose with top notes of lemon, strawberry, and green leaves, middle notes of lily, jasmine, and rose, and base notes of vanilla, amber, and galbanum. I think I'm really gonna like this one because I love strawberry anything. It is my favorite food in the entire world. In fact, I just ate a bunch of strawberries before I started filming this. So let's dive in. Oh my goodness, okay. This is freaking amazing. I love this. I definitely am getting the strawberry and the jasmine right off the bat, and then you kind of get the vanilla musky notes coming through. This is almost like a sexy, seductive scent to me. This would be a great perfume or body spray. I love this, wow. Very soft and pretty and feminine. I am so impressed with these so far. I have not had one that I didn't like, so dang. All right, I might have spoke too soon because the next one is neroli blooms and amberwood. I'm not the biggest neroli fan, but you never know. So we have top notes of citrus medley, apple, and elemi, if I'm saying that right. Middle notes of lavender, neroli, and jasmine. Base notes of patchouli, amber, and sandalwood. Okay. This smells like something to me. I'm trying to place it. It's almost giving me like, and I don't mean this in a bad way, like fabric softener vibes. I don't know. I'm kind of getting like, even though powder is not a note in here, something smells powdery to me. But I have to be honest, the neroli is not super strong in here, so I can handle this. Other neroli friends, I was gonna say fragrances or scents, friends, as I hit myself in the face. What is going on right now? Other neroli fragrance oils that I've smelt before were just like way too strong and I don't know, turned me off, but this is doable, but I don't know. It's probably my least favorite that I've smelt yet. All right, we are down to our last two. This next one is maple chai and sweet cream. This one is not new, as I can see from the 181 5-star reviews on their website. I've never smelled this one though, so I'm excited to smell it. We have top notes of grated ginger, nutmeg, and orange zest, middle notes of maple syrup and cinnamon leaf, and base notes of vanilla bean, brown sugar, and buttermilk. All right. Sounds like it's gonna be very kind of spicy, cozy, like a good fall scent. Ooh, okay. Ooh, yeah, this would be perfect for fall. I've smelt other kind of chai fragrance oils from other companies and they were okay to me. I don't know, I didn't love them, but this one, dang, that is good. I see why they have so many 5-star reviews for this oil, wow. It's like the perfect blend of creamy and spicy. I'm gonna have to remember this one for when fall comes back around because that is so nice. Lastly, we have creamy vanilla and coconut sugar. This one is also not new, but I have not smelt it before, so it's new to me. We have top notes of creamy honey, middle notes of coconut caramel and monk fruit, and base notes of brown sugar and vanilla bean. Okay, this one sounds like it's gonna be really nice. Ooh, okay, it's very sweet. Sweet and warm, I would say, are the perfect words to describe this one. I'm definitely picking up on the coconut and the caramel in there. This smells delicious. This smells like something that you could eat. Don't eat the fragrance oil though. But wow, dang, okay. That is so, so nice. All right, you guys, I just narrowed it down to my top 3 oils, which was very hard to do because honestly, I loved so many of these, but I really, really loved Midnight Mahogany and Mango Skin. So did Lola, apparently. And then Twilight Vanille and Cassia Bark. Oh my gosh, yes. And Strawberry Musk and Jasmine Rose. Those would be my top 3, but they were honestly all so good. So I will link the collab down below. It launched today, so feel free to head on over there and check it out. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.